Look at this golden crispy on the outside, soft and perfectly melted cheese on the inside. I never thought eggplant could taste this incredible, but trust me, once you try this air fryer trick, you will never ever cook it the old way again. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Cut off the stem and slice your eggplant into rounds, about ½ inch thick. Keep them nice and even so they all cook at the same rate. Now, here's the step most people skip, and honestly, this is where the magic starts. Place the slices in a bowl, sprinkle salt generously all over, and let them rest for 15 minutes. I know 15 minutes feels like forever when you're hungry, but the salt is doing something really important here. It draws out excess moisture from the eggplant flesh. Less moisture means more crispy. It also removes that slightly bitter taste eggplant sometimes has. Seriously, don't skip this. You will taste the difference. After 15 minutes, use paper towels to pat each slice completely dry. Get both sides. The drier the slices going into the air fryer, the crispier your final result will be. Step 2. Transfer your dried eggplant slices into a large bowl. Drizzle on a little olive oil, then crack in 1 whole egg. Use your hands and gently toss everything together until each slice is evenly coated in the egg and olive oil mixture. Get in there, don't be shy. Step 3. In a bowl, mix together your breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, dried oregano, garlic powder and paprika. Give it a good stir until everything is combined. That garlic and paprika combination smells absolutely amazing. Trust me, your kitchen is about to smell incredible from here on out. Now pour your seasoned breadcrumb mixture straight into the bowl. Add your chopped fresh parsley and your grated mozzarella cheese. Gently fold everything together. You want those breadcrumbs and cheese to cling to both sides of every single slice. Be gentle, no breaking allowed. I'm not gonna lie, this is the messiest step, but look at how gorgeous these look, covered in herbs and cheese. Oh man, I could seriously eat these right now. Step 4, time to air fry. Preheat your air fryer to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 Celsius, for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let it get nice and hot before adding the eggplant. Line the basket with parchment paper and brush a thin layer of oil across the surface. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup so much easier. Arrange your eggplant slices in a single layer. Give each one its own space, don't stack or crowd them or they'll steam instead of crisp. And we want crispy. If you have extra slices, work in 2 batches. A few extra minutes is absolutely worth it. The crunch difference is night and day. One more tip before you close that drawer. Sprinkle a little extra mozzarella right on top of each slice. That top layer browns into the most gorgeous golden cheesy crust. Cook at 355 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, for 10 to 12 minutes. Check at the 8-minute mark to make sure things aren't browning too fast. Every air fryer runs a little differently. If you want that cheese extra golden and bubbly on top, add 2 to 3 more minutes. Just keep an eye on it. You'll know it's ready when it looks absolutely incredible. Step 5. While your eggplant was cooking, I put together that dipping sauce, and I'm telling you, this sauce takes the whole dish to an entirely different level. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, salt, pepper, a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and your grated pickled cucumber. Stir until smooth and creamy. It's tangy, cool, with little bursts of fresh flavour from the pickled cucumber, so refreshing against the hot, crispy eggplant. Oh wow, look at that! Golden brown edges, cheese bubbling on top, that herby crispy coating all over. This is exactly what we were going for. Absolute perfection. Okay, time to plate these beauties. Look at that golden crust, and when I break one open, oh my goodness. The cheese is perfectly melted inside, and the eggplant is so soft and tender underneath. Now let's dip it in that creamy yogurt sauce, and seriously, I could eat this every single day. This is restaurant quality right from your own kitchen, people. Quick question for you. Do you prefer eggplant crispy and cheesy like this? Or do you love it in a classic eggplant parmesan? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe to Emma Tips so you never miss a new trick. See you in the next one.